Happy Wednesday vlog everyone! Today's video is we gonna do unboxing for my fashion vlog. So I went to the mall, supposed to be I'm just gonna buy one thing that I really need it, but the shopaholic is attacking me. So come on guys, let's start. First thing that we gonna do is this bag, because actually this product this is the one that only the reason why I go there, because one of my sandals for driving is broken, so I buy this one for my driving, because you know I'm short and small. So I need to have a little of a high heel. So this is size 5.5, and I'm so lucky guys, because this is like a triple clearance. Supposed to be is a $40, but I just get for $13.99. So it's so cute. Actually, it's very comfortable, and I wanna try this to wear for my driving. And then the second one is, as I believe this one also is on sale, and this one is for my work. So let's see what is this and what I have this. The brand is Nine West, and they even cover it. So this is the one guys, and I will show it to you later what it look like. I'm gonna try it on. And then the third one is my Levi's. So soon, very soon, it's gonna be a summer here. So I buy more shorts from Levi's in size 2. It says a 26. So let's see guys. So I like this one when I try it on. So this is the one. And there's a belt also, but I don't think that I need a belt, because sometimes I've been buying a belt but I don't even use it. So here we come again guys, is the Calvin Klein. So let's see what I'm gonna have for the Calvin Klein, because this one is I try to put it back, then shop around and come back again, because I love the design, even though that I have some already, but I cannot resist. So this is the one guys, and as usual is 5.5, and it's a summer sandals, and plus it's not too high. The high heels is look like 1.5 only, so I can wear it this. For sure my bunion in my feet is gonna be okay, hopefully. Now I love the design, and look at these details, the C key in this one. It's the summer design. I don't know what it calls about this, but I love it. And there's hub also in here. It's a silver. It is Calvin Klein. So let's put that one here. Guys, this one, last one but not the least, is, if you notice, this is a Michael Kors bag. I don't know why I'm so addicted for the Michael Kors. Even the bags that I've been buying for a gift for my friends. My latest friends is a Michael Kors. Because actually guys, you can scan the barcode and you can have a 10% off in my YouTube channel. So there's a barcode there for Michael Kors. So you can have a discount. So this is the one guys, Taran. And it's not a purse, but I like this kind of like a vintage design top. Look at that. So when I try it on, it's so nice. And it covers my shoulder because my shoulder is big. I don't know. Even I go to the gym, it's still big. And this one is a size small. And I just want to show you the price, guys. But if you scan some in the barcode in my YouTube channel, you can have a 10% off. So this is the one guys. This is the last one. So this is how the weights look like guys. The sandals that the Contessa made in Italy. My Levi's shorts and my Michael Kors top. So if you notice, I will have to put it back my tag. So this is gonna be its look like. This is how the way it look like guys. This is the pants of Nine West, and I still put on my Michael Kors shirt. And this one is my Calvin Klein shoes. Sandals. Oh. So thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you liked my video. See you soon. By the way guys, every Wednesday I promote my channel. Monday is about food and restaurant and whatever we cook here in our house. Wednesday is about fashion vlog, shopping, unboxing, and a collection in my closet. Friday is about travel vlog, adventures, hotels, restaurant, as well as concert. So thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you liked my video. See you soon.